Welcome back everyone. In today's video I have taken for you best project. Complete detail will be given to you that how you can sign up here, what will be your profit margin. Watch complete video, don't skip any part, and at the end of the video you will be able to know that you can get handsome amount of the profit from it. So watch complete video, don't skip any part. First of all, I'm adding a link in the description box, and simply tap on the link. You will have to enter the email address here, then you need to enter the password. This one is invitation code option, which will be filled out automatically. You don't need to do anything with it. Then simply tap on it on the sign up option, then your sign up will be succeeded. So when the sign up will be completed, announcement option will be given to you. You can check this out. Official Telegram link is also pasted here. Official website link is also linked here. Stored value investment can only use USDT TRC20 and the VIP1 level as shown here. For the VIP1, 18 USDT will be needed and daily income will be 3 USDT. For the VIP2, 78 USDT will be needed and daily income will be 15. You will have to check this out, all these announcement options, then simply tap on it on the next. Get 1% of the third subordinate deposit. You can earn an extra 1000 every day. So you need to grow your team here, then simply tap on it on this one option. So when the VIP1 will be unlocked, you will have to check this out. This one is the app option. You can also download the app. Company profile detail will be shown to you in this section, and the recharge option is enabled here. You need to scroll down here, and these are the task call details, and 12 USDT will be needed for VIP1. You need to check this out. VIP1s or levels are given here. You'll have to tap on it on the VIP section. For the VIP1, you can also check this out. 18 USDT will be needed. Simple interest rate will be 3 USDT, so your daily profit will be 3. And the VIP2, as you can see here, daily task will be 1, simple interest is 15, daily profit will be 15 USDT, total profit is 900 USDT. So VIP3 detail is also mentioned here. Daily profit will be 60 USDT and 288 USDT will be needed to unlock this. If you are interested in any of these, you will have to tap on it on this option, then it will ask you for the confirmation. You need to simply tap on it on the confirm option. You need to simply tap on it on this home option. Then this one is a recharge option. You will have to simply tap on it on the recharge button. So when you simply tap on it on the recharge option, it will ask you to send the payment. You can also send payment by scanning this QR code. Otherwise, you will have to copy this address. This one is a TRC20 USDT address. You will have to send the payment at this address, and the fund will be arrive into 1 to 3 minutes. Then simply tap on it on the recharge completed option. Then your recharge will be completed. So when the recharge will be completed, you will have to check this out. Me section is enabled here. In this section, your total balance will be shown here. VIP1, you will have to check this out again. You need to simply tap on it on this unlock option, then confirm it. After confirming it, VIP1 will be unlocked, and simply tap on it on the home section again. Then what you need to do, you need to simply tap on it on the home section. This one is a task call. VIP1 will be open to you. When you simply tap on it on the task call option, you will have to tap on it on the to complete option, and it is loading here, and the daily task will be completed in a few seconds. You will have to wait, and it is completed successfully. Now I want to show you that how you can earn money by simply sharing the link with one of your friends. It is easy steps. You need to follow these steps. You will have to tap on it on this team option. Then you will have to copy this referral link. This one is your link, which you will have to share with your friend. If your friend interested here and they create an account, you will also get handsome amount of the profit from it through the referral system. And your team size will be shown in this section. Now at the end, I want to show you that how you can withdraw your amount here. You need to simply tap on it on the me option. This one is the withdraw detail. You will have to simply tap on it on the withdraw option, and simply tap on it on this detail here. As you can see here, enter the amount. You need to enter the Tron address here. Then this one is the password option. You need to enter the password. Then simply tap on it on the confirm option. So you will have to simply tap on it on the confirm option. When you simply tap on it on the confirm option, withdraw will be succeeded. So this one is a complete detail about this. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you so much.